Hey guys, welcome back. So let's see what was the status today. So how the Nifty was traded, and it was exactly like almost 105 points down in the Nifty. And the same time, if I take future stock, it's 108 points minus. So I don't get much panic because of sudden loss over there. So it's like normally it will happen in the bull market. So like the sudden correction will come, and those correction for for a further upside move only. So don't worry about that one today's fall. It's almost not even 1% fall. It's like a 0.67% fall only. So nothing to worry about that. And let let's see what are the stocks I was doing on the intraday basis. Like I have, as I told you yesterday, so I was holding a Bandhan Bank stocks, and I was expecting it will break 326 today. But in the morning itself, I closed the call and almost booked 5,000 rupees profit over there. And top of that, like it was about to break this 326 rate, but suddenly it was it's like there was a price rejection has come, like almost if you could see, it has come all the way to 325 rupees. So even I brought a call 325 call option at 8 rupees, and almost this time I had sold my call position this around 940 945 times. So I had closed my position. It went up to almost 325, and it's met, and from there it was completely going in the sideways till till 12 and I was expecting that FIA will buy today, but unfortunately what happened, from 12:30 onwards, sorry, from 1 o'clock onwards, they started to sell each and everything. Like entire market has gone down from by 1 o'clock onwards only. So from 324 it fell nearly to 316. So I was expecting that 315 will be the best support for tomorrow. So I was planning to enter again in Bandhan Bank tomorrow, and what happened? It all came today itself. So again, I was expecting like it will get minimum support in 318 rupees, but it simply broke the 318 also. And somewhere here only I taken the calls again, 330 rupees call option, almost 7 rupees 80 paise, and I didn't expect this will go further down and all. It was going down, and it's came back again and got this support became the resistance for today. So again it came down only. And one more stock I have taken, it's State Bank of India. So like 420 rupees was a huge support for the State Bank India for a long time. So I have a gut feeling that it will not break 420, but still it's broke almost 420 and reach almost 418, and then came little recover, and it's closed with 422. So it's a good sign, I guess. At the same time, if we could see what is the Nifty traded yesterday, sorry, today, see, exactly 1 o'clock, FA started to sell. It came all the way down over here, and it's reached the lowest of 15,594, and somewhat it's got recovered and ended with almost 15,674. And the Bank Nifty also, nothing to say about that. Bank Nifty is already weak, and in this kind of market, so it's very difficult for them to sustain also. So that is what happened. Let's see what is whether FI data has come or no. It's not yet come. Still, it's on 8th. Okay, fine. We'll see the let's see the key levels, and before going to the key levels we will go for open interest status. Wow. Bank Nifty tomorrow expiry, and the heavy put option call option has been written in 35,500, where the market is trading 34,800. So tomorrow it is going to be a very volatile market, I guess, if I'm not wrong. And in the downside, 34,000 has a huge open interest, and top of that 34,500. So as per the open interest, so it shows very weakness. When comparing with Nifty, it's really very weak in terms of open interest, and immediate support or resistance going to be 35,000, but it has very limited call options rating, and there are people close the call option in 35,000 and 35,500 also. Mm, and I don't know what is the people they're doing in 37,000 also, they have closed the call options. So, and market tomorrow, Bank Nifty also might be going down only, and we need to have a look at global market also by tomorrow, so before entering to the trade. And if we, the key levels I can give you, if break 35,168, so we can go for a call option and keep your first target 35,344, 35,447, 35,573. At the same time, if it break 34,826 and further down, so I have given almost 400 points down, because last time when the Bank Nifty traded from this point 34,486 to 34,822, there is not even a single red mark, so it was trading like anything continuously without any downfall. So if it's break 34,820, so it's going to be a very crucial, so it will go further down only, and there is a possibility so it will go up immediately also. So still you can trade carefully. So if it's break 34,818, so you can go for a you can buy the put option and keep 34,485 and 34,284, 34,000 as your target. At the same time, hope you got the top key levels also. Just have a note in the key levels. So in the particular key levels, the market will give much details. Some kind of price rejection will happen. Either it will get support or it will get resistance. So you can keep a mark on these key levels. And let us go to the Nifty open interest. Okay, fine. So if you could see the Nifty key levels, there are 15,700. Lot of call option has been written and lot of put option has been closed. So the immediate resistance going to be 15,700, and if it's broke and sustained, then it will be 15,800. The same way downside 15,500. So it's like we're going back to the old days. Okay, so I don't think so it will happen, it will go and touch 15,500. I don't think so. So probably in case if the gap up openings there, in the sense if it's it's almost 15,635, in case if it's open above 15,700, so there is a possibility the Nifty go further higher. So immediate resistance going to be 15,800. So still we need to have a look at tomorrow Singapore Nifty status also. So this is currently it's trading 40 points plus, and Nasdaq is trading 53 points plus. So it's like giving a positive sign. Let's see what is the status till tomorrow morning. Just have a look around 8:30, 8:45 time. So you'll have a clear picture of what is going to happen, whether the gap up opening going to happen or still market going to be the sideways. So again, tomorrow is expiry date. So when you trade, try to close your position before 1 o'clock, and from 1 o'clock onwards the time value going to be 0, so it will keep on reducing whether you're buying a call option or put option, whichever is. So it's going to be 0 only, so trade carefully. That's it. And in case if I made any mistake, leave your feedback in the comment section, so I'll correct myself. And that's it. Bye, see you tomorrow.